Bridal makeups that plays an important part in somebody's life, and as a makeup artist it is really important that the makeup has to go right. Today we are going to discuss prepping and priming. Welcome to Neha Devgan Diaries. This series is all about bridal makeups. So I like to work as per bride's skin type. Right now I'm working on my skin and these are my skin concerns. I personally feel when you meet the bride, you need to relax her a little because they are very excited and they are nervous sometimes. So you need to relax them properly. Just give them some under eye patches, some face mask, and you need to make them sit down for a good 15 minutes so that they can chit chat with you, they can discuss their things with you while you're working on their skin. I like to use my lip balm with lip plumper. This removes the dead skin of the lips once you reach at the step of lipstick application. Now, if you are watching my professional makeup classes course on YouTube, you must be knowing that I like Embryolisse a lot. This is a primer that works as a moisturizer and works on all types of skin. I like to massage it into the skin, and sometimes, if it's not a sensitive skin, I like to use a gua sha stone. Now we will apply the under eye cream, and I like to use Bobbi Brown's under eye cream. I relax the eye and applying it with a ring finger over here. Just massage it and leave it till the time you do your under eye makeup. I like to do the eye makeup first and base later. Apply it on the laughing lines as well. I like to apply MAC Fix Plus in the middle of makeup. It gives me extra hydration. So for primer, I'm going to use two primers by YSL. First is Top Secrets. It's gonna give me the dewiness. And for my open pores and to control shine, I'm gonna use a silicone based primer and that I'm going to apply on my T-zone. I only like to use luxury products because that's what my price range is and I feel my brides deserves these products. Layering Dewdrops primer for my open pores. Now you can always use an eye primer when you do the eye makeup. Now I shall see you in next video where I'll show you how I do my bride's base. Till then, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.